let's unbox the Apple's AirPods Pro 2. Okay, so here it says it's AirPods Pro 2 second gen, designed by Apple in California, made in China, and so on, with the serial number and all other information. All right, let's quickly start unboxing. All right. Okay, right, so let's see what's inside. Here we have this pamphlet. Okay, and we can see here they mentioned that we can charge the AirPods in 3 different ways using the Apple Watch MagSafe charger and iPhone's MagSafe charger or the lightning cable connectivity. So we're going to test this later in this video. Okay, and we also have the warranty information and so on. All right, so I'm going to keep all this inside. Okay, so these are the AirPods Pro. Let me keep this aside for now. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Okay. So we have this USB-C to lightning cable. Inside this box, we have ear tips. Let me open this up. All right. Right, now we can see different sizes, extra small, small and large. And you may be wondering where's the medium. The medium is already on the AirPods Pro. And that's it. We don't have charger as always. Apple doesn't include them. Right, so I'm gonna keep this aside. Okay, now let's look at the AirPods case. It's compact and nice. It's slippery a bit, and size is similar to the first gen AirPods Pro. On this side we have lanyard hook, which means if you spin or drop them, you can put a lanyard in and it stays in your hand. So this is additional feature compared to the previous model. On the back we have this pairing button and LED indicator is on the front. The charging port is at the bottom. Alright, so surprisingly we have speaker grills here. Great speakers in them, and you may be wondering why do we need speakers here. Basically it's for Find My. When you lose this case, when you try to search using Find My, this will produce a sound so you can track it. So we will test it in the later part of this video. And another updated feature is, when compared to the AirPods Pro first gen, is the increase in battery life, up to 6 hours of listening music and up to 30 hours using the case. Okay, let's open this case up and look at the AirPods. Nice. For the sound. Alright, so we do have some writings here and here, which has the serial number and other information. Okay, so I'm holding the AirPods Pro and you can see this is what I was talking about, the medium size ear tips. Basically, if you want to change it, you can just plug it out and put the one which fits in your ear. Alright, so let's check out what all we have here. This is the proximity sensor, and we do have noise cancelling microphones, and this is how it gets charged when you place this inside the case. Alright, so it's time to pair this AirPods Pro with my iPhone. Okay, you can see my iPhone has recognized the AirPods Pro and it's asking me to connect. I'm gonna hit the connect button. Okay, great. All right, so I have some instructions here which says how to adjust volume and noise control. I'm gonna click skip, continue. Not now. Right, so we can see more details when I select the AirPods Pro section on the settings. Here we can see I can select noise cancellation, I can turn it off, or I can select transparency. Alright, adaptive transparency is on, automatic ear detection is on, and of course the spatial audio, that feature is always available. The feature I like the most is there is a 2x improvement in active noise cancellation. Alright, let's test it. Wow, absolute silence. I can barely hear my own voice. Now with the presence of adaptive transparency mode, which means if you're outdoors, it will automatically reduce the external noise. And furthermore, if someone is talking to you, then their voice will increase and ambient sound will go down. Due to the new H2's chipset, it basically samples the sound 48,000 times per second. Let's test the touch control. I'm really impressed. Now you can increase or decrease the volume by sliding the finger on the AirPods. Let me use Find My to test the AirPods Pro 2 case speaker. Alright, so I'm going to play the sound. Right. So you heard the sound is pretty loud. It's easy to, locate the AirPod case, with the sound. Also, you can locate it using the ultra wide band antenna with the find nearby option. It uses the new UI chip so you can exactly locate it. So it's similar to the AirTag. You can locate it by just pointing it in the right direction. You noticed how it recognized where it is. Since the AirPods is here, it's telling it's here. So you can also play the sound from this. All right. That's a wonderful feature. Okay, let's try a different charging method. The first thing what I'm going to try is with the Apple Watch charger. Right, place it. Okay, you can say it's working. Let's try with the lightning cable. Okay, I'm gonna connect this here. Perfect. As far as the overall fit, I feel it's pretty comfortable. It all depends upon the ear tips. I'm using the default ear tips which came along with the AirPods Pro, and it fits absolutely fine. All other common features include IPX4 sweat and water resistant, so no worries about the rain, and improved spatial audio. Talking about price, it's $26,900 in Apple website. However, in Amazon you get some discount, it's $24,900. That about wraps it up for this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and let me know what you think of the new AirPods Pro 2 in the comment section below. As always, please hit the subscribe button and like my video. Thanks for watching. Peace.